Students, today I will discuss with you a very important questions. Prior to discuss, you go through my coaching institute, the Economic IAS and GS Economy and Economic Optional. And today my target is to discuss with you 2023 General Study third paper Economy questions number 13. Explain the change in cropping pattern in India in the context of change in consumption pattern and marketing conditions. Again think, what is the best strategy of writing of this question? As I priorly discussed with you that first of all you have to create the structure of these questions, and as you know these questions asking by UPSC in 250 word limit, and these questions carry 15 marks and 250 word limit. First of all, what you have to do? First of all, you have to divide these questions in three parts, and prior the division you should go through. If you are unable to understand the key point of these questions, explain the change in cropping pattern. UPSC asking change in cropping pattern. What is the main focus of this question? Change in cropping pattern in India in the context of consumption and second market conditions. Means there are the two determinant of changing cropping pattern, that is consumption and marketing conditions. Means focus is where? Cropping pattern which is decided by the two factor. One is consumption, other factor which is deciding it, marketing condition. Marketing condition means you have to focus on demand and supply. Demand and supply means all economic factors. Economic factor means when you are thinking about these questions, key point of these questions, you have to focus on 3 points. Cropping pattern is the result, changing consumption pattern or dietary pattern of the society, and marketing conditions are the main determinant of this cropping pattern. Now one point is clear, what the question is asking from you. Once you are clear about this point, then what you have to do? First of all, you have to focus again 4 major points. What are the 4 major points on which you have to focus? They are the number first, that is word limit, time limit, second, third is structure of the question, and fourth one is quality content of the answer. You have to focus on 4 points. Number first is word limit, second one is time limit, third one is structure of the answer, and fourth one is quality content of the answer. Quality content which you are going to reproduce in your answer. First is word limit. For the word limit, time management, quality, you are needed to create a good quality structure of these questions. Now what will be the structure? Of the answer, as I priorly discussed again, there are the 3 parts of the questions: introduction, expansion, and third one is conclusion. Third one is conclusion. In the area of introduction, you have to introduce yourself with the key point. What is the key point? What is the objective? Change in cropping pattern, and you will say this cropping pattern determined by the two according to these questions, that is economic factor and consumption. Consumption also a economic factor as we marketing conditions and consumption pattern. So you will start your answer in introduction that our cropping pattern is changing consistently because of changing dietary pattern or consumption pattern of the society and marketing conditions, and they are shifting the cropping pattern in favor of non-food crop rather than food crop. Introduction is complete. Now your vision is also clear that you are going to focus that our cropping pattern is changing in favor of non-food crop or cash crop like horticulture crop and other cash crops. One is introduction is clear. In the explanation, as you know, there are the two main points where you have to focus. They are, first is consumption pattern, second one is marketing conditions. Marketing conditions. In consumption pattern, what you will say? Changing dietary pattern because of change income. Our society income is changing, health consciousness changing their consumption pattern from food article to non-food article. Non-food article which have the more nutrients. It means people are preferring more dry fruits, green fruits, juice, other article which are necessary for the health due to health consciousness, and increasing consumption pattern also motivating the society to consume that kinds of non-food articles. You will explain under this first para. In second para, marketing conditions determined by the multiple factor, which you have to explain under this subheading. Under marketing conditions, you will elaborate more explanation in consumption in comparison to consumption pattern. First marketing condition is what? What are the main determinant of cropping pattern in marketing conditions? That is more demand, and accordingly increasing demand, supply also the main determinant, and demand is determined by whom? That is the consumption pattern. It means first of all in this marketing conditions you will explain the income factor. Means farmer like to maximize their per acre income, that is why they are opting that cropping pattern which can maximize their income. As recently a study done by whom? That is Professor Raj Krishna. What he find out in his study in Devariya district of UP, you have to explain that one, that our marginal and very small farmer also begin to produce some kind of cash crop. First they meet their domestic demand, produce food article, after then they begin to produce non-food crop or cash crop for maximizing their income. Second determinant, that is the availability of inputs, that is also the marketing conditions. As you know, in marketing, what kinds of inputs are available? High yielding variety seeds, pesticides, fertilizers, technical equipment. They are also motivating the farmer to produce those crops which can provide the maximum income, and accordingly their high yielding variety seeds etc. are available in the marketing. That is the second determinant of the changing cropping pattern, and you will also support your answer with the help of few examples. That is the main point. Third is price of the crop. As you know, certain crops price like sugarcane, wheat, rice etc. minimum support price by the government of India consistently increase, and that is similarly due to availability of high yielding variety seeds in the market, farmers are willing to produce more these kinds of crop. That is also the third fundamental factor determining the cropping pattern. Similarly, fourth factor, that is the size of land. Size of land is also responsible for determinations of that kinds of cropping pattern. Generally, big size of land means big farmers produce maximally those crops which can maximize their profit, generally cash crop. On the other hand, our marginal very small farmer generally produce those crops which can meet their domestic demand first, after then they move in favor of cash crop. You have to explain under the size of land. Tenancy agriculture, that is also determined by the marketing factor. Tenants generally grow those crops which can provide the maximum profit to the landowner. Means in case of tenancy agriculture, more strong voice on behalf of landlord rather than tenant. That kinds of also determine the cropping pattern on the basis of marketing conditions. Insurance against risk means marketing conditions also determine the insurance. If our insurance market is well developed as under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, who is promoting that one? Marketing conditions. Marketing conditions means insurance market, how much extent it is attracting the farmers and how much extent farmers are protecting their different crop. Generally, they like to grow those crops which are protected by the government policies, and naturally in itself, as you can, some area, waterlogging area, generally grow those crops which can sustain up to a long period in logging water, like Sangrur district of Punjab, like Odisha. These kinds of states and region are try to growing more paddy in comparison to other crop. That is also the marketing factor or market fundamental factor. Similarly, government policies also governed by the market conditions. Means now we are exporting different crops from India. It means the crops which are more needed in the global economy, government try to promote the production of that kinds of crop like paddy. In present, we are the largest exporter of paddy. Out of total world exports, 17% paddy or rice exported by the government of India. It means this government policy also determine government procurement policy, credit policy, irrigation policy, electricity supply policy, subsidy policy, agriculture inputs policy. All these kinds of policies are also supporting the cropping pattern in India. It means when you elaborate these 2 points under different subheadings, that is your expansion of your answer. Finally, conclusion. You also explain the horticulture. Presently, as you know, in different part of India, some fruits, green fruits and vegetables are growing consistently. In 2004 and 5, 11 and 12, if you go through the data, out of total cropped area or land area, round about 12% cropped by the horticulture crop. Because of increasing demand of horticulture product, specifically fruits and vegetables, that is also changing because of changing marketing conditions. Means the price of the commodity if higher, generally farmers like to produce that kinds of crop. This is the simple questions which you can write in this way, and finally you can conclude these questions by saying that out of all these factors, if you consider the main determinant exactly consumption and marketing condition, but in between two, consumption generally determine the demand in the market. It means market conditions governed by the consumption and consumption governed by the income of the society. These two factors are interrelated to each other. Ultimate determinant, the cropping pattern in India is the profit maximization, and farmer can maximize the profit on those crops whose consumption demand is highest in our domestic economy and global economy. That is why the main determinant of our cropping pattern directly the consumption and indirectly the other multiple factor. This is your conclusion. Thank you student. I again explain under this topic. चलिए जी.